Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see some reactions of epoxides. Now, the epoxide is reacts with the hydrogen cyanide. Epoxide is reacts with the hydrogen cyanide. When liquefied ethylene oxide, when liquefied ethylene oxide and liquefied hydrogen cyanide, liquefied ethylene oxide and liquefied hydrogen cyanides are reacted in the presence of the catalyst like the alkaline earth metal oxide to forms the ethylene cyanohydride. When liquefied ethylene oxide and liquefied hydrogen cyanides are reacted in the presence of this catalyst calcium oxide, then to form the ethylene cyanohydrides. Okay, now the ethylene oxide epoxide is a reacts with this liquid hydrogen cyanides in the presence of the catalyst calcium oxide, then the two form the 2 cyanoethanol 1 2. Okay, 2 cyanoethanol means the cyanide having the negative charge. This attacks on this CH2 group. Okay, this lone pair of oxygen is attacks on this H2 and this ring is open here. Okay, then the formation of the 2 cyanoethanol means cyanide is attached to the one carbon atom and this oxygen is attacks on this H plus. Okay, now the ring is open here. Okay, then the formation of the 2 cyanoethanol. Now the next reaction is the epoxide is a reacts with the alcohol. Epoxide is a reacts with the alcohols. The epoxide reacts with the alcohol in the presence of the dilute acid. In the presence of the dilute acid, such as the dilute sulfuric acid, to form the alkoxy alcohol. To form the alkoxy, methoxy, ethoxy, such as the alkoxy alcohol, they are called as a cellosols. They are called cellosols and they are excellent solvent for organic compounds. They are excellent solvent for organic compounds. Means epoxide is a reacts with the epoxide. This ethylene oxide is a reacts with the ethanol in the presence of the dilute sulfuric acid at 25 degrees Celsius. In the presence of dilute sulfuric acid at 25 degrees Celsius, then the formation of the ethoxy ethanol. This is the ethoxy ethanol. Okay, ethoxy ethanol. Then the formation of ethoxy ethanol. Now the next reaction is the epoxide is a reacts with the neutral or basic solvents. Okay, neutral or basic solvents. Now the first reaction is that when epoxide is a reacts with the ammonia and amines. Epoxide is a reacts with the ammonia and amines. These are the bases. Okay, the ethylene oxide when reacted with ammonia, ethylene oxide when reacted with ammonia, it forms the mixture of 3 amino alcohols. It forms the mixture of 3 amino alcohols which are known as a ethanol amines. Which are known as a ethanol amines. Means in ethanol amines, amino alcohol means there are the two functional groups. One is a NH2 or another is a OH, amines and alcohols. Okay, there are 3 amino alcohols which are known as a ethanol amines. Now the epoxide is a reacts with the ammonia. Epoxide is a reacts with the ammonia. This ammonia acts as a base. Okay, nucleophile is attacks on this CH2 group. This bond is a break. Okay, then oxygen carries a negative charge. This acts as this proton from this ammonia. Okay, then the formation of the mono. This mono means one. Okay, monoethanol amine. Monoethanol. Okay, this is a monoethanol amine. Okay, OH CH2 CH2 NH2. Or another name is a 1 2. Okay, 2 amino ethanol. 2 amino ethanol. Okay, the number is starting from this carbon bearing the hydroxyl group. Okay, 1 2 2 amino ethanol. Again, this 2 amino ethanol again is a reacts with the epoxide, ethylene oxide. Again, the same, this NH2 again this attacks on this CH2 group. Okay, this bond is break in the directions. Okay, in the directions. Means NH2 here the attacks on this CH2 group. This bond is a break here. The again the formation of the diethynyl amines. Diethynyl amines. Now again in the third step, again this diethynyl amine again reacts with the ethylene oxide. Similarly, same this lone pair on nitrogen is attacks on this CH2 group, and this bond is a break on the direction of oxygen atoms. Then the formation of the triethynyl amine. Then the formation of the triethynyl amines means when the ethylene oxide is reacted with the base like the ammonia, then formation of the mixture of three amino. So first amino mixture, okay, monoethanol ethanol amines, then second, okay, diethanol amines, and the third is triethanol amines. Okay, now the choline, okay, the another example is the choline 2-hydroxy ethyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide. Choline, okay, the name of this the IPAC name is 2-hydroxy ethyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide. This choline is prepared by the action of ethylene oxide with a tri trimethyl amine in aqueous solution. In aqueous solution means epoxide is a react with the trimethyl amine. Okay, in aqueous solution is water. Okay, then the formation of choline. Then the formation of choline means 2-hydroxy 1 2. Okay, 1 2 2 hydroxy trimethyl. Okay, 2-hydroxy ethyl. Okay, it's a ethyl CH2 ethyl 2-hydroxy ethyl trimethyls means they are the three methyl groups, okay, which is attached to the nitrogen. Trimethyl ammonium hydroxide, okay, 2-hydroxy ethyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide, that is called as a choline. Okay, how to prepare the choline? When the epoxide is reacts with the trimethyl amines in aqueous solution, okay,